Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play in Pro League Nintendo Switch Sports. To begin, you must first unlock Pro League for each individual sport. This involves playing online matches and achieving A rank in that specific sport. Once you reach A rank, you will automatically gain access to the Pro League for that particular game. It's an exciting challenge that awaits you. To truly excel, focus your efforts on mastering one or two sports. Each game has unique mechanics and advanced techniques that can give you a significant edge. For instance, understanding how to apply spin in tennis or perfecting your timing in badminton can make all the difference. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will sharpen your reflexes and strategy, preparing you for tougher opponents. The ranking system guides your journey to Pro League. You'll start at E rank and climb through D, C, B, and A. Each win earns you points, and consecutive victories grant bonus points, speeding up your progression. However, be mindful that losses can reduce your rank, so every match counts. Aim for consistent performance to steadily climb the ladder and reach that coveted A rank. Once you've entered Pro League, the challenge shifts to maintaining and improving your standing. This requires consistent performance and a keen ability to adapt. You'll encounter a wide variety of opponents, each with unique strategies, so learning to counter them is key. Regularly review your matches, identify areas for growth, and keep refining your skills to stay at the top of your game. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.